Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress coins at checkout to get extra discounts on your orders. First, make sure you're logged in to AliExpress account. If you're new, just tap Sign Up and follow the on-screen steps. It only takes a minute. AliExpress coins are basically small rewards you earn every day, and you can use them to reduce the price of your purchases. The more coins you collect, the more money you can save. To check how many coins you have, go to your profile and open the My Coins section. Here, you'll see your daily check-in reward and your total coin balance. Make sure to collect your daily coins. They add up quickly. Now let's use these coins at checkout. Choose any product you want to buy and click Buy Now. On the checkout page, AliExpress will automatically show you if that specific product accepts coins. If the option appears, simply select how many coins you want to use and the discount will be applied instantly. If you don't see the coin option, don't worry, it just means that product doesn't support coin discounts. In that case, go back and choose another item that accepts coins. You can easily find them inside the coin section or through the discount finder. Once your discount is applied, complete your checkout as usual and enjoy your savings. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple guides. See you in the next one.